Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you YouTube Premiere feature, how to use it, everything about it. So first off, you guys want to make sure you are on a desktop version of YouTube, and you guys want to make sure you're signed in. So I'm on my computer. You guys could do this on mobile devices. You just want to make sure you're on the desktop version of YouTube, which I'll be showing you on mobile devices right now. So if you guys are on a mobile device, you just want to go to youtube.com. You could be in Safari, and once you're at youtube.com, you just want to go to the three dots on the top right, tap on it, and just tap on desktop. And then you want to also make sure you're signed in. Okay, so once you're signed in on a desktop version of YouTube, all you want to do is actually go over to the upload button, which is right here, and tap on it. And once you guys tap on it, you guys just want to select a file, tap on the file, tap here, and then select the file the video you want to upload. All right, so I just found this file right here, so I'm actually gonna tap on choose, and it's gonna start uploading the video. So all you guys want to do is you can see right here, guys, it says new premieres. So make it a moment, build a hype, and get fans excited about your next video. Schedule your premiere, share your watch page URL with your fans, chat with fans before and during the premiere, watch the premiere with fans in real time. So it's kind of like a way to communicate with your fans and with your subscribers. So I think it's really cool. And also, it's kind of like a TV show, how like TV show premieres. It's going to premiere and like a certain amount of time. So you tap that to be on. And yes, you can change the time it's gonna upload. So let's see. We tap public. We want it public. You guys change it to scheduled. So kind of how TV shows premiere in a certain amount of time. It's kind of where like you could talk about, people could comment like basically on this video before and after the video. So it's gonna be really, really cool. And also you could basically tell when it's gonna upload. So if you're really busy and you want to make this video in the future, then obviously guys, you're really busy, you can just make the video before time, like right now, and I could schedule it. It will upload by itself in an advanced time. And also people could talk about it before and after. You could check the comments. You could reply to people about the video. So it's a cool way to communicate with your subscribers and fans. And also, if you're really busy, obviously you just get this video uploaded in a future time. So you just choose a day over here. So today is actually October 22nd. So let's say I want to upload on October 22nd. Then you just choose a time. So right now it's 12:07 p.m. after 12 o'clock, because it won't, it might just automatically upload it. I'm not really sure. So someone upload it, let's say 1:30, you tap on it, and then if it says it failed the process, I just upload like a random thing. I don't think it was in a video, but then it would basically upload it when the time is set, and it will say, I don't give like a notification. It'll give like your subscribers or your fans a notification saying it's gonna premiere in an hour or 2 hours or a half hour. So it kind of gives them when the video is gonna actually be released and be uploaded. So I think it's a really, really cool feature, guys. Definitely go check it out. But thanks, guys, for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.